Hi friends, I'm Rebecca. Welcome to Squintillions.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to write a covered call using the TD Ameritrade website. Now the TD Ameritrade website is different than TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform. The TD Ameritrade website has an easier to look at user interface without so much information all over the screen that you get on Thinkorswim, which for beginners, I find it easier to deal with. I do use Thinkorswim whenever I need to roll a call. To write a covered call using the TD Ameritrade website, first look up the symbol of the company that you want to write the call on. I'm going to use Intel. So I typed in the ticker symbol INTC, and then you can click on the name or you can press go. Then you'll get the stock profile for Intel. You'll see that right now, Intel is trading just under $48. You get your menu here, and just above the menu, you'll see the options chain link. You click on the options chain, and it's going to open a new tab. I'm just going to slide that down here so you can see a bit better. For the chain type, we're going to change this to be just calls. I want my call to be out of the money. That means the call will have a higher stock price than what it is right now. And then I'm going to do view chain. I like to trade the monthly calls, usually because there's a higher volume of trading happening on those days. So the next monthly call is April 14th. So you can see all of the strike prices here and the corresponding premium possibilities over here. I think that selling this stock around $55 would be fair, but the premium isn't very high at $55 in April, so I'm going to move to the next monthly call, and that is May 20th. On May 20th at $55, the bid price is at $40 and ask price is at $42. I made another video showing how to write a covered call using E-Trade, where I also used Intel as an example, and I used the $57.50 strike price because that's in my taxable brokerage account. This account that I'm using here is my IRA, and because there's no tax implications for selling the call or for if the shares get sold, I tend to be slightly less conservative in this account. So I'm going to go with the $55 strike price, and I'm going to click on the bid price here, but we can change the price in a moment. But this will open up the order screen. So click on the bid. The order screen pops up down here. I'm going to change my limit order to a price of 42, and I'm going to do good till canceled, which ends up just being what the expiration date of the call is. So just have a quick look before you send your order through. You're doing an Intel call. Expiration date is May 20th. The strike price is $55. The action is sell to open. When you're writing a covered call on shares that you have in your account, the action is always sell to open. I have one contract. That means I have to have 100 shares of Intel in my account. Order type is a limit order. You can also do a market order if you want to, and then just get whatever the current price is going for the call. But I like to do a limit order and take my chances on getting an extra $1 or $2 in premium. And then I'll keep track of this order, and if nothing happens with it by the end of the week, then I'll revise my order price. I'm going to do review order. So then you check one more time. Everything is as you expect it to be. My limit price is at 42, which means I will get $42 in premium minus the commission, which isn't too bad for 10 minutes of work. And then you go and place your order. And then it shows your order on the trade screen. I received confirmation later that day that the order went through when the Intel stock price was at $48.02. I hope you enjoyed this video and found that it was helpful for writing covered calls on TD Ameritrade. If you like videos like this, please subscribe for more content on personal finance and personal growth here on Squintillions.